So I put my bag. Oh, fuck. I'm fucked. Look at this. So I'm not gloating about the view. Fuck me. Alright, Captain's Vlog. Day 2. I don't know how I've managed to do this. I'm about to set off the smoke. I'm sorry about the view. I've put my backpack. I've put my fucking fuck. I've put the back. Why is it still fucking on? Ugh. Don't worry, guys, we've had to find them. Good to see those dickheads, Harry, Jacko, and Sheehan enjoying the water here. Willie and Toddy as well. Fucking pelicans. Good day, eh? Lunchtime again. Always eating. Oh, Nando's might have chicken today, you reckon? Sorry, just having some breakfast. Captain's Vlog. Day 517 of the film shoot. Or what feels like day 517 of the film shoot, but it's really day 3 on Tangalooma Rex. We're not on Tangalooma Rex at all. We're on Tangalooma Island Resort on Morton Island. You know what? We're on Morton Island where we are at Tangalooma Island Resort. Shock horror. We've got Matthew Morris having a second breakfast. Mate, yes, please. Did you already have breakfast before you came as well? It's the third breakfast.
Give me a half round.
Hey, bro. Brave man.
PLC.
PLC, bro.
Hanging off it. Dude, I think they're hanging off it. Where they go? One more time to the top. I don't even think they're hanging off it. Really, definitely don't think that was a baby glider or hanging something. Oh, I think no door. I wonder who's that. He's for sure, Harry. Wait, Harry, that way! Harry! That way, mate! Harry's a bit of four.
Do you reckon Harry followed those instructions properly?
Harry definitely did not follow any instructions. Wait a minute. It looks like that guy's got a shirt on. That can't be Harry. You know who that is? That's a professional. He's going to film him.
Yeah, no, this is not your normal work day.
Like with the 4 of the boys all like making eye contact.
Yeah, that's definitely parachutes out of a helicopter. Get that on the big jobs.
I went up sitting right on the
Holy
edge
shit,
and
this is Harry.
going on and you're just like looking over the edge.
Yeah, so here we are. Tangalooma Island Resort on Morton Island. We are waiting for our friends Harry, Jacko and Sheehan to jump out of a helicopter a second time because that's what they like to do. Back to you in studio, Nathan. Yeah, thanks very much, Nathan. Just down here also at the Morton Island, Tangalooma Island Resorts, waiting for your friends. Some people I met earlier to jump out of a helicopter with a parachute. Sounds bloody good, doesn't it? Who's happy? Sports Illustrated, Mr. May. You're stuck there now, the tide came in. Oh boy. There's the boys. Yeah, the boys. Alright, Captain's Log. There's the boys up there. I don't know if you can see them. I can see them. We're going to try and chase them down from behind. Chase them. Take them from behind. Take them down and then from behind. I'm hoping the camera can pick them up because I sure as fuck can't see them right now. Oh, there they are. Yeah, good. Yeah, the boys. Boys are up there. Jump number 2. Yeah, good talk, Nathan. Not bad, eh? What? Oh! Oh my gosh!
Long enough to get the whole thing through it, like 6,000 feet. So big enough where you can get everything in frame, like you can just see everything's so pretty. And then shipwrecks from above, you can just see like such detail in everything. It's really, really absolutely sensational place to even come to, let alone witness from the sky, and then get to jump into. So bucket list, tick.
Are you an Olympic hurdler now as well?
Yeah, I've been working on it.
How good? Can you chat to Channel 9 for me, please?
Yeah, no worries.
Skydiving's fun, but
to get lift out in the heli, to riding out with no door on, you climb out hanging from the skid, and the heli's just hovering. It's just the whole trip's a real one.
Hey, how'd the vlog father go? I'm calling myself the vlog father. How'd I go? Episode 2. You happy with that?
Yeah. I mean, the overall day, the skyline, epic. Loved it.
Yeah. Exotic helicopters.
Yeah, mate, that pilot was exotic.
Yes. Jacko, the vlog father, delivered.
Erotic helicopters was amazing. It was so fun up there.
Just to clarify, it is elite heli, and
had symbols in his head.
our pilot Brandon Parker was elite level pilot.
We were absolutely.
Harry, are you allowed to pack your own thing?
I'm pulling it apart because I don't trust myself and I'm going again.
Okay. Well, my name's Jeff. Is over there.
I don't know. I just sometimes shove it in like a sleeping bag and hope for the best.
Yeah, interesting. And just like that, the boys are off. We're just with the regular folk. We're going to get a ferry. And they're gone. I don't know where they're going, but they're gone. See ya. It's not R-rated, mate. So anyway, the base jumpers got to do what they want to do for brunch. Happy for lunch. I got him a golf course, a private booking. What do you reckon, mate?
That's beautiful.
Won't need the driver much.
Yeah. I'll take me.
Well, that's a wrap. Day 417 of this film schedule. The captain's vlog. I'm the vlog father now, I've decided. We made it. We survived. Close to my vlog, please.
Yeah, that's the wrap, guys.
Episode 3, day 417.
Is it day 417?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yes.
Roll?
That's it.
That's a wrap, guys. Day 417, episode 3, closing. We're finished. Finito.
What is
burrito.
it? Captain's vlog.
Captain's vlog.
I'm the vlog father.
He's the vlog father. Big guy behind you.
I'm doing I'm commissioning an episode with Bink TV.
Yeah. And we're going to work on Brandon's little inner narrative to rehabilitate.
The filter.
His filter.
The filterama.
So less stuff's going to come out because at the moment the filter is fatigued. And everything's coming out of his mouth.
It's bent, not broken.
We're going to rehab the filter. We're going to muscle him up. And he's going to block some of that inappropriate stuff more often. Coming soon.